Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus, smartphones 2018. Price, $550 to $650. Global release date, 2018, January. Operating system, Android 7.1.1, Nougat. Display, 6.0-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass, waterproof over 1.5 meter and 30 minutes. Multi-touch, yes. Resolution, 1080 by 2220 pixels. Processor, 1.6 GHz octa-core. Chipset, Exynos 7885 Octa. GPU, Mali G71. Primary camera, 16 megapixel, phase detection autofocus, LED flash. Front camera, dual 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, 1080 HD resolution. Camera features, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR. Video, 1080 HD supported. RAM, 4 GB. Storage, 32 GB. SIM support, 2. SIM type, nano SIM. 3.5mm jack support, yes. NFC support, yes. LAN support, Wi-Fi 802.11, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. GPS support, yes. USB, micro USB 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. USB OTG support, yes. Battery, 3500 mAh, fast battery charging non-removable battery. Standby, up to 288 hour, 3G, talk time, up to 18 hour, 3G. Sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Network support, 2G, 3G, 4G. Colors, black, orchid gray, gold, blue. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos.